Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Logging In. For this episode of Logging In, I will be guiding you through the process of how you can sign in into the Firstrust online banking account. Now to begin the process, you need to open the Firstrust web page on the browser. So once you open the browser on your PC, on the search bar, you need to type in First, F-I-R-S-T, and then trust without the T, T-R-U-S-T. and .com and press enter. This will direct you to the web page of the bank, and there you need to click on the sign in option on the top right corner. Now here you provide your login ID and your password and click on login. This will log you in into your online banking account of the Firstrust Bank. But if you forgot your login details, you can click on forgot password over here. This link will redirect you to the page where you will be able to recover your bank account details. So here you provide your login details and click on submit. And once you click on submit, you will be again redirected to the another page for further process of recovering your password. This is how you can easily log in and also recover your account credential. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for notification and updates. Thank you.